How's it looking out there, dispatch?
This is dispatch. I got a job going right now.
I got it. Stop that, Terry!
Good, good. Looks like you're close.
Let's get this Terry in motion.
This is your home for all the music you used to pretend not to like. Back when you were trying to be cool. You weren't cool. Not ever. Nobody is. It's such a lame concept. It means staring into the middle distance and acting like you're constipated. It's not fun. Be happy. Not cool. Not constipated.
God bless you and thank you. Hey, what you got, dispatch?
I got a pickup not too far from you. Sending you the address now.
Sure, I can take that.
Thanks, driver. Location should be up on your GPS.
Stop that, Terry! Let's get this Terry in motion.
to the earth?
What's holding me back?
Are we all from the same tree?
Why is science so confusing?
How many women?
God bless you and thank you.
Any jobs I can pick up?
Copy that. I've got someone for you.
Oh yeah, I'll take that one.
Know nothing about that people have mostly stolen, so a search engine can get rich.
Exactly.
Okay, all yours. You're not far away.
Stop that chariot!
Треп капец альтер. Енді полный трек керек, только минусты қайтеміз.
Let's get this chariot in motion. God bless you and thank you.
Yeah, I got that.
Roger that. I'm sending you the location now.
Шықтың үйден формаңды үтіктеп, қалай брат еп-жеп. Бүгінге цель қалаға шығу, арасында 3-4 қызсын ұру. Көздерін банка, прямой осанка.
I've got plates, goddamn go!
Хопсын, попсын, Дженнифер Лопсын. Сен менің айфон мен Стив Джобсын. Баланс болмаса, Mail.ru агент. Сенің фигураны атекең. Ара-бері Том и Джерри кетеп режим кере. Общение, печенье, головокружение. Акинау, Санта-Клаус, күшті мультик Микки Маус. Арып қалдым сені мен, қайда жүрсің доктор Хаус? Сердце, жүрек, лопата, күрек. Сеп қалдым сен, ол кек, чебурек. Любовь, махаббат, шоколад, шоколад. Ты моя нюша, ну тас қайрат. Ну чё там вообще қайдан боласың? Ақтаудың қыздары. Ой, крусы вообще.
I'm open for a pickup.
Guy just canceled on me, so there's a job near you right now.
You can get that one to me.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a
Copy that. You should only be a block or two away.
All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rasta.
Let's go, please.
Fucking with me, call up on no Uzi and show up